Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Conquer College Admissions. This is Julie. I have a very exciting news for you. And that is I'll be hosting a free live workshop on September 8th, 2021, 5 p.m. Pacific time, or if you're in the East Coast, 8 p.m. Eastern time. And in this live workshop, you're going to learn how I helped my class of 2021 students get accepted into Stanford, Yale, Carnegie Mellon, Duke, UC Berkeley, USC, NYU, Columbia, basically all the Ivy League and top tier colleges. And also, if you're not aiming for Ivy Leagues or top tier colleges and you are more focused on getting into your dream college that offers a lot of scholarship, financial aid, or whatever, this could also be a good free workshop for you, okay? So the link to register is www.juliekimconsulting.com/live. It's live because it's really live, okay? So I'll see you there, and the spots are very limited. So as soon as you see this link, I want you to go and register, put your name and email down, and you'll be all set to go. You'll get an email from us, confirmation email, all of that good stuff. So I'll see you on September 8th, 2021, 5 p.m. Pacific time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Again, the link to register is www.juliekimconsulting.com/live. And we also have amazing announcements, bonuses, gifts that we're going to provide as well. And we're also opening doors to the Passion Project Bootcamp Next Level program. So I'll see you in the live workshop. Bye.